Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the MorgRie AIR68. It's a wireless low-profile keyboard with a premium CNC aluminum case and clean minimal aesthetic priced at $89. There's two color options available with matching accented keycaps, and I have the silver version in this video. Included in the box is the user manual that's in Mandarin and English, a braided Type-A to Type-C cable, the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver dongle, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra macOS keycaps, and the AIR68 keyboard, which is surprisingly light at 740 grams or 1.6 pounds with its CNC aluminum case. As for the design, the keyboard has a 65% compact layout in this nicely rounded and refined aluminum case, with a small RGB light bar in the middle on the front, the Type-C port on the right side on the back with the tri-mode switch located on the left side, a 4.4-degree typing angle in this really slim case, and two non-slip strips on the bottom with a metal one on top and the AIR68 branding in the middle. Besides all of that, the keyboard comes with these unique low-profile DISA PBT keycaps that are sleek and look awesome, Kale White Rain low-profile linear switches that are pre-loop and have a clean and clacky sound, pre-loop low-profile plate-mounted stabilizers with minimal rattle, a gasket-mounted polycarbonate plate for a responsive typing feel, and a 3-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with no RGB. Diving into the components, the case is held together with 8 screws on the bottom, which are hidden under the non-slip feet. With the screws removed and case open, the batteries now have to be disconnected from the PCB for the bottom case to come out. After that, the daughterboard and tri-mode switch can be unclipped from the PCB for the plate and PCB to be removed. So with the keyboard fully disassembled, here are the parts and mods inside. In the top case, there's the daughterboard for the tri-mode switch and Type-C port mounted on the right and left, the diffuser for the small RGB light bar in the middle, and the mounts for the gaskets on the sides. In the bottom case, there's the two batteries that are 4000 mAh in total, and the two screws holding the metal feet on the bottom as well. As for the plate and PCB, there's a piece of insulator on the bottom to protect the PCB and batteries, an IXPE switch pad in between the plates and PCB to dampen the typing sound, and the silicone gaskets on the sides of the plate. Moving on to the software, the MorgRie AIR68 is VIA compatible. So with the Json file, you can remap all of the layers and keys, record and import macros, save and load different keyboard layouts, configure the RGB light bar's brightness, effects, speed and color, and reset the keyboard and test all of the keys here. Carrying on to the typing experience, the keyboard has a light and responsive feel which is nice for typing and work. The keycaps have a unique shape too, helping prevent accidental presses and are quite comfy for long periods of typing. It's also quite nice for gaming, and I did not notice any lag or latency with the 2.4 GHz mode. Anyway, the keyboard produces a really clean and clacky sound as well, so here is the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the MorgRie AIR68. After using and reviewing the keyboard, I'm confident to say it's a really great and premium low-profile keyboard, which is surprisingly priced cheaper than other options on the market. Design-wise, it has a minimal and clean CNC aluminum case, and I really love the low-profile keycaps included. Not only that, it comes with high-quality mods and components inside, providing an awesome typing experience. Plus, it's also customizable with wire to suit all of your needs. So if you're looking for a premium low-profile wireless keyboard that's priced around $90, the MorgRie AIR68 might be the best one yet. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to MorgRie for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.